Working with a SEG file from a geophysical survey? This contains seismic data, the subsurface imaging that oil companies and earthquake researchers depend on. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open and analyze these seismic data files. Consider this the ace up my sleeve, a specialized program that utilizes magic techniques to properly identify and open the SEG file. I'll reveal it at the end. SEG files are seismic data files following the Society of Exploration, Geophysicists' SEG-Y format containing recorded seismic wave trace data. They store subsurface imaging information from geophysical surveys used in petroleum, exploration, earthquake research, and geological structure mapping. SEG-Y seismic files use a binary format with a 3200-byte EBCDIC text, header, a 400-byte binary header, and sequential trace records, each containing a 240-byte trace header, followed by seismic amplitude sample data in IBM floating point or IEEE format. The application responsible for generating the SEG file is typically SeisSpace by SeisSpace International Inc. Windows cannot validate changes to the file structure, demanding dedicated software for integrity. Windows has limited support for data structures, so proper viewing depends on matching tools. The first action is to test the system's defined programs. Right-click the SEG file and click Open with. Test SeisSpace if present. If it is unavailable, select another program. We need to find the specific library that works. If your SEG file will not open yet, do not panic. The file didn't cooperate. Let's now transition to these 3 highly effective troubleshooting steps to conquer the SEG problem. First, viewing seismic data. Open the SEG file in OpenTect, a free open-source seismic interpretation platform. Import the SEG-Y file through the survey, then import function. The software renders seismic cross-sections and time slices for geological interpretation and horizon picking. Next, processing in SeisSpace. Load the SEG-Y data into SeisSpace Promax or similar seismic processing software for professional data processing, including filtering velocity analysis, migration, and stack operations. Configure processing workflows based on the survey acquisition parameters described in the file headers. Finally, analyzing with Python. Use the SEG-Y Python library to programmatically read and analyze SEG-Y files. Install with pip, install SEG-Y, and load trace data into NumPy arrays for custom analysis visualization and data extraction. Combine with Matplotlib for creating publication-quality seismic section plots. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use FileMagic, which provides the one-click solution you need. Available at filemagic.com. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.